beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this gorgeous deep curly wig. It's from a company called April Lace Wigs. So I'm going to show you how I installed it and I'm going to tell you all about this hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So here we have the packaging from April Lace Wig store. Their hair is amazing. This is my first time working with this company and I am highly impressed. They said with this wig, you get a wig cap, which is a dark brown color, medium brown, which I like because the light color just does not work for me. Like, pay attention to your girl skin tone. This is a 13x6 parting space. There's the packaging it came in. I want to show you guys just how it would look if you were purchasing it. And it comes pre-customized. As you can see, it's pre-bleached and it's pre-plucked. You don't have to do anything to this wig. That's what I love about it the most. You can really just pop this on, slay it, and just hop out the door. Now we're gonna get into styling this wig. As you can see, the volume is amazing. I believe it's 180% density. So I wanna show you guys how it looks straight out the packaging on my hair. A close-up of this hairline, which is bomb. I did not pluck this wig at all. So I was really happy about it. It saved me a lot of time, at least an hour max, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys first how I cut off the lace, installed the whole shebang. So if you're interested, just stay tuned, continue to watch. And closer to the end of this video, I'm gonna give my final review, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this wig. As you can see, it looks so bomb. I slayed it here. It came with 13x6 parting space, which right now I have like 13x4 because I brushed some of it back, but it goes all the way back here, so it's multiple parting space, which we love. The wig comes pre-plucked. I just did a few little swoops here, which look A1. I'm loving this hair. It is dry and it has that wet look. It looks so good. This curl pattern is so amazing. I believe this wig is like 24 inches. Let me stand up. It's down to my bust. Show you guys back. It's really flowy. Curls are popping. So I got these flawless curls by using my favorite product. It's Cantu Shea Butter. It's a curling mousse. So what you have to do is just wash your hair. Make sure it's washed first. That is very important when you receive wigs. You don't know where they are in a warehouse or whatever. So I always wash my wigs. And then I put conditioner, mixed with water in a little spray bottle. And just look at these curls. This is just bomb. I'm loving this wig. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this all the time, and it's so easy to apply and install. The lace was just A1. It's so transparent, like for real. Y'all see this? I didn't do any customizing to this wig. Like, it's crazy. I'm just loving it. It looks so good. But back to what I was saying. What was I saying? I don't even know. But all I can say is I love this wig. If you get it, you will love it too. It's 180% density, I believe. It's super flowy. Looks so good. It'll even have more volume if you want. You don't have to put any of the products I suggested in it. If you just want like big curls and just don't put anything in it, and it'll be at least like double the volume, okay? But I like a more subtle look. Super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this flawless lace install. I want to thank April Lace Wigs for sending me this hair. It's definitely bomb. I am in love. I'm gonna have all the information in the description box below for you guys if you're interested in getting this wig. And make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna be having another wig giveaway. It's gonna be for 2020. We're doing big things here. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you like it and hit that subscribe button below. And thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, peace.